If you have a washer dryer, it'll have two different capacities, one for washing and one for drying. Remember, the drying capacity is always smaller because laundry is heavier when it's wet. If your clothes are coming out and they're still damp, you're probably overloading your machine. Removing some items at the end of the wash cycle will help things to dry evenly. If you're purchasing a washer dryer to make the most of the continuous wash and dry cycles, it's important to understand the maximum capacity you can wash and dry in one go. For example, this machine has a 9 kilos wash and a 6 kilos dry capacity, so the maximum you can wash and dry in one continuous cycle is 6 kilos. This is to make sure your wet laundry is not too heavy for the dryer to complete the cycle. It's good to remember you can take advantage of the full 9 kilos capacity if you are just washing and not drying. When deciding on the right washer dryer for your home, you should consider a couple of things. Firstly, the number of people living at home. The bigger your household, the more washing you'll do, so you'll need a larger drum. You should also think about the largest and bulkiest items you wash and dry. If you have king-size beds, you'll want to consider a larger drum for washing bedding and duvets. When you load the machine, the clothes need some space to move around so that they're washed effectively, and when drying, the air can circulate, reaching every item. If your clothes can't move easily, they won't be cleaned as well and might come out damp. To ensure you haven't overloaded the machine, place your hand like this inside, and your hand should not be touching the top of the drum. If you frequently overload your washer dryer, it can unbalance it, causing long-term damage.